Oh, well, with all this doom and gloom, everybody, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. I'm J Dubs, and today I am just kind of chilling. It is my day off, Wednesday. Tomorrow I go back to work, and then Friday we have the art show at Cool Beans Coffee House. I'm hopeful to sell something there. I know I'll sell something there, but the big pieces I'm bringing are probably just going for show to get my name out there for notoriety. I'm gonna bring some crazy stuff. I'm bringing the mirror. I'm bringing the Jack and Sally. I'm gonna bring like one or two more big ones, and then I'll bring a bunch of small stuff and the prints. But today we also have an appointment for our cat Nala. As I was telling you guys yesterday, the dog is doing a lot better. He is still looking silly and stupid, but Nala's not doing great. She's been crying every time she comes in the kitchen. She's not eating food. She's eating a little bit of, liquid from the tuna fish we give her, but she's not taking food. She's clearly in pain. It's raining out today, so I'm sure her arthritis is killing her. We don't have pain management for her, and she's old. She's 15 years old, so I'm not hopeful for today's appointment. But, I have my wife, and we're going to get through it together. We also have my friend Jester coming over today. He's picking up his mail. We're going to catch up with him. He hasn't been here in a hot minute, so I'm hoping that goes well as well. Other than that, prep for the shows. I have some flyers to design for Lacey Day. I want to go to local businesses and put them up so we get people to know that Lacey Day is coming. High traffic businesses like Wawa, 7-Eleven, and ShopRite, and Lidl, and Aldi. Yes, I said all your names. You're welcome. I'm not charging you for it. Just, if you're working for that company, hit the like button on the video. Give me some freaking notoriety on YouTube. That's all. But really, guys, Community Builder Online. Gonna start trying to be a community builder in person again. Fight through those hard times to make the easier ones even easier. Until next time, guys, I'm John from J Dubs Arts. I am slowly getting soaked, standing here, collecting water as it blows past me, because it's misting out. I can see the water dripping off my screen. Until next time, I'm John from J Dubs Arts. I'm out of here.